Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the controller and files are ready. Plug in via USB or pair Bluetooth and make sure drivers install successfully. This prevents input lag. Next, move Cpm2 ROMs and the emulator into the same working folder so paths are consistent. Once done, open the emulator with administrator rights because permissions can block controller input. Make sure the emulator recognizes the folder. If it doesn't, recheck file names and folder permissions before proceeding to input mapping. You now map the controls. In the emulator's input settings, select your controller profile or create one. Assign the D-pad or left stick to directional inputs, map buttons to action keys, and set Start/Select appropriately. This step determines playability. Then run calibration. Hold each control while the utility records ranges, because uncalibrated axes cause drift. Once calibrated, launch a Cpm2 test ROM and use the emulator's test mode to verify responsiveness. You finish by optimizing settings and securing your configuration. Tweak dead zones and sensitivity to eliminate drift and improve precision. Lowering polling rate can reduce CPU use, but make sure input feels responsive. Save the controller profile and assign hotkeys for save states and resets so you can recover quickly. If the controller disconnects, restart the emulator and repair the device. If mapping fails, reassign inputs and test again. One key troubleshooting tip: check for other software grabbing input, close background controllers, or remap conflicting devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.